Hi kindergarten! We're going to do some drawing today. So we already did one spring drawing together. Do you remember? We followed step-by-step instructions and we drew a kite. Well, in your package, there's more types of drawings. And there's some scribble art. Do you guys remember what scribble art is? That's when you are using your pencil. And you're only using pencil to make dark and light in your picture. So we're going to try that today. There will be no coloring, right? And you have to really pay attention to how hard you're pushing with your pencil. We're going to take a look at a ladybug. Okay? So here's the picture that I picked, because ladybugs definitely are a bug that's starting to show up in springtime. Step number 1, we're going to color an oval, but we're not going to push really hard. We're going to push a little bit, enough that we can see the color showing up on our paper from our pencil. And then for step 2, we're going to push harder to make the head and to make this line that shows where the wings are. And then for step 3, we're going to push hard enough with our pencil that we can see the little black dots, and then we can draw some antennae. So this is where we have to get our hand ready, and we have to decide where do we push hard with our pencil and where do we need to be light. That's the trick to scribble art. Okay, are you ready? So if you're going to do this with me right now, you get out your own pencil and your own paper and you can follow along step by step. So step 1 is make an oval by scribbling. So let's see how this looks. I'm not pushing too hard. I'm pushing hard enough so that you guys can see it, but I don't want to be pushing so hard that I won't be able to have any muscle left to do the rest of the body parts. So let's say that that's my oval, okay? Step 2, he needs a head, and look at his head is darker than his body. And this line here for his wings is also darker than his body. So I'm going to get my muscle ready. Are you getting your muscle ready? And I'm going to scribble a darker head. Darker, 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 darker. Oh, see how much darker that is? And I'm also going to make that line down his back. Push, 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 push. I have to push hard. It's hard for you to see on the video, I think. Step number 3, we're going to make his dots and his antennae. So I'm going to push hard again because these dots need to be darker than his body. Push, 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 push. 1, 2. How many dots are in our picture? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 3 on one side and 3 on the other. Let's do the same. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Oh, that does start to make your arm tired after a little bit. Do you guys see what we're missing still? He needs his antennae. These are curvy, curly lines. Curvy, curly. Curvy, curly. Curvy, curly. And there is my ladybug. Give that a try, you guys. Scribble art is a different kind of drawing, but it's also kind of fun because you're learning about tone. And as you get good at doing scribble art, you get a stronger arm and you learn something important about art and drawing. Show me what spring scribble art you do. Take a picture and send it to me. See you guys later.